Although it's a good way of like getting exercise, obviously playing football, it's a good way to make friends, develop your talent. There's like really good players, well, not really bad players, but there's players still developing their talent, and the coaches are really good. Throughout Doha College, it's a really good, like I said, it's a really good academy. It's got lots of potential to go even further. I see it branching out to different sites. I see it branching out into different sports. They're always thinking of ways to become even bigger, to become even more successful, and always hiring more staff. All the quality of coaches is outstanding. It's really good that hire from all around the world.